XRP Ripple investors, you guys need to prepare right now. There could be a massive dump next week. Hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis and price prediction for the XRP Ripple price. This is DC Trading. We have crypto news to go over. Then we'll get into the technical analysis and price prediction. Now, let's start off with some crypto news. Breaking: China court declares virtual assets legal properties protected by law. Very interesting because China does have crypto banned, but Hong Kong does accept crypto, and they do have clear regulation on cryptocurrencies. We do know that China has people that are currently in Hong Kong observing what they're doing with crypto, because it looks like in the near future, they will eventually unban crypto. This is another signal right here that there's a good chance they're going to unban crypto in the near future. Very bullish, and this is a shot at the US because the US does currently accept crypto, but we don't have clear regulation. Very interesting. A lot of other countries right now are adopting crypto while we're lagging behind. Now let's look into the technical analysis and price prediction. We need to be very, very careful for XRP Ripple, investors, because we may see a massive dump next week. What do I mean by that? Well, as you guys know, yes, earlier this week, we did see a breakout to the, to 55 cents. We got rejected at 55 cents. And then since then, we have been forming 3 red candles on the daily time frame. This is not a good sign. The current price of XRP is sitting around 50 cents. MACD is telling us to currently buy, but we may have to see until tomorrow when the weekly candle closes. We have about a day and 8 hours left, because I'm going to tell you guys this. If on the weekly time frame, yes, on the weekly time frame, if we close XRP below 50 cents, meaning it's around 49 cents, 48 cents, we should expect next week the price of XRP to drop all the way back down to 44, 45 cents. So we need to be prepared for this. Pay attention to the weekly candle. We have about a day and 9 hours. Sorry about that. Yes, and on the MACD, it is telling us to what? Sell. So on the weekly time frame, it is telling us to sell. On the daily time frame, it is telling us to buy, but it looks like it is reversing on the daily time frame. This is not a good sign. So it looks like we may see a massive dump next week to 44, 45 cents. As for the Bitcoin price, what do we see right now? Also, you got to pay attention to the Bitcoin price. The MACD is currently telling us to buy, but it is looking to reverse very soon. The weekly candle does close in about 1 day, 9 hours. If we take a look at the weekly candle, if we close the weekly candle below 25,500, the current price of BTC is at 25,900. If we close below 25,500, we are definitely going to retest $25,000. And this is going to cause XRP price to as well drop down to 44, 45 cents. That's why we need to pay very close attention to the weekly candle close for XRP and for Bitcoin. As I said, if we close BTC below 25,500 and XRP closes below 50 cents, expect XRP price to drop down to 44, 45 cents and expect Bitcoin to drop back down to 25K. So pay attention to that. On the weekly time frame, it is telling us to what? Sell. Very alarming. All XRP Ripple investors, please pay attention to this. If we take a look right now, yes, on the EMA weekly time frame, what do we see from the Bitcoin price? We are still below the EMA 55. It looks like it is reversing. This is not a good sign for the BTC price, because if Bitcoin decides to drop even more, expect the rest of the crypto market to drop as well, because Bitcoin dominance is still around 50%, still very strong. So whatever Bitcoin decides to do, the crypto market will follow. If we take a look at the HTF liquidity for each one, for BTC, what do we see? Well, no new traders have entered the markets right now because they're unsure of where Bitcoin will go. And as for XRP, yes, some bulls have entered the markets and put their stop loss around 48 cents. As you guys can see, a lot of bears do believe we're going to drop even more. I wouldn't be surprised. As I said, we closed below 50 cents. A good chance we drop back down to 44, 45 cents. As you guys can see, we do have this uptrend line that we haven't broken just yet. So in this case, we would drop down to around 44, 45 cents. Be prepared for that, investors. With that said, if you made it this far, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily technical analysis. Share this with family, friends, so they are aware of what's going to happen this week. Pay attention to what? The weekly candle close. I'm going to say this once more. If XRP closes the weekly candle below 50 cents and Bitcoin closes below 25,500, expect the crypto market to drop next week. This is a danger. This is a warning to all crypto investors. With that said, if you made it this far, comment the number 600. Peace.